Ever feel like you have big dreams but no energy to make them happen? You think I will do it tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. You want to do great things, but it feels so hard to even start. You think about writing a book, getting fit, or learning something new, but instead you scroll on your phone or watch TV. Why does this happen? It is not because you are lazy forever. It is because the tasks feel too big. When something feels too hard, your brain says, let us do something easier. But the good news, you can fix this. Laziness is not who you are. It is just a habit, and habits can change. Think about how often you have been stuck because the goal felt impossible. You want to save money, but the thought of cutting back on everything feels like too much. Or you want to get healthier, but the idea of running every day seems exhausting. It is not that you do not care. It is that your brain is wired to avoid pain and seek comfort. But you can outsmart your brain. Here are 3 simple steps to help you stop being lazy and start doing what matters. Step 1, make it small. Big tasks feel scary, so make them small. For example, if you want to write a book, do not think about writing 200 pages. Just write 1 sentence today. Small steps are easier and make you feel good. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You do not jump to the top. You take 1 step, then another. Do the same with your goals. Small wins add up. Here is another example. If you want to learn a new skill like playing guitar, do not try to learn an entire song in one day. Just practice 1 chord. Over time, those small efforts turn into big results. The key is to focus on progress, not perfection. Step 2, create easy routines. Do not rely on willpower. Set up routines. Willpower runs out, but routines make things automatic. For example, if you want to exercise, put your shoes by your bed. That way, when you wake up, it is easy to get started. Think of routines like training wheels. They make things easier until you can do them naturally. What is 1 small routine you can start today? Maybe it is writing a to-do list every morning or drinking a glass of water as soon as you wake up. These small habits create structure and help you build momentum. Step 3, use the 2-minute rule. The hardest part is starting, so promise yourself you will work on something for just 2 minutes. That is it. Want to read a book? Read 1 page. Want to clean your room? Start with 1 corner. Once you start, it is easier to keep going. It is like pushing a ball down a hill. The first push is hard, but after that it rolls on its own. Here is a bonus tip. Reward yourself for starting. After you have done your 2 minutes, celebrate in a small way. Maybe it is listening to your favorite song or taking a short break. Rewards make starting feel good and motivate you to keep going. Here is the truth. Everyone starts small. The people you admire, they struggle too. They just kept going. You do not have to be perfect. You just have to start. Think of your dreams like a fire. Right now, it is a tiny spark. Every small action you take is like adding fuel. Keep adding fuel and soon you will have a roaring fire. So, what will you do today to light that fire? Remember, it is okay to fail. Everyone fails. What matters is that you get back up and try again. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of the journey. So be kind to yourself and keep moving forward. Let us keep it simple. If you are ambitious but lazy, here is what to do. 1. Make tasks small and easy. 2. Create routines to help you. 3. Start with just 2 minutes of effort. That is it. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Pick 1 thing and take a small step today. Your dreams are waiting for you. Go make them happen. And remember this. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Even small efforts done regularly can create massive change. but you cannot stay consistent without taking action. So watch this to start taking action today. Another powerful truth you need to understand is that motivation follows action, not the other way around. Most people wait to feel motivated before they start. They sit around hoping that one day they will wake up excited and ready to change their lives, but that is backward thinking. You do not wait for motivation. You create it by taking action. When you start doing something, even if it is just for 2 minutes, your brain releases chemicals that make you feel good. That good feeling becomes your motivation. So stop waiting to feel ready. Start now and the motivation will come. You also need to understand the power of environment. Your surroundings have a huge impact on your behavior. If your room is messy, you will feel overwhelmed. If your phone is always within reach, you will get distracted. But if you set up your environment to support your goals, everything becomes easier. Want to read more? Put a book on your pillow. Want to eat healthier? Keep fruits visible on your kitchen counter. Want to stop wasting time on social media? Delete the apps from your phone or put your phone in another room. Your environment should work for you, not against you. Design your space to make good choices automatic and bad choices difficult. Let us talk about accountability because going alone is hard. When you share your goals with someone else, you are more likely to follow through. Find a friend, family member, or even an online community that supports your dreams. Tell them what you are working on and check in with them regularly. Accountability creates pressure in a good way. You do not want to let others down, so you push yourself harder. Plus, having someone to celebrate your wins with makes the journey more enjoyable. You are not meant to do this alone. Find your people and let them help you stay on track. Here is something most people overlook. You need to track your progress. When you can see how far you have come, it keeps you motivated. Get a calendar and mark an X every day you complete your task. After a few days, you will have a chain of X's. Your only job is to not break the chain. This simple visual reminder shows you that you are making progress, even when it does not feel like it. Progress is not always dramatic. Sometimes it is just showing up day after day. But those small, consistent actions compound over time into massive results. So track your wins, no matter how small they seem. Finally, understand that change is not linear. Some days you will feel unstoppable. Other days you will feel like giving up. That is normal. Success is not about being perfect every single day. It is about getting back up when you fall. You will have setbacks. You will miss days. You will make mistakes. But none of that means you have failed. It just means you are human. What separates successful people from everyone else is not that they never fail. It is that they refuse to quit. So when you have a bad day, do not beat yourself up. Just reset and start again tomorrow. Every new day is a fresh chance to move closer to your dreams. Keep going, keep learning, keep growing. Your future self will thank you for not giving up.